Good morning, everybody. Today we will see how to create APAAR ID in UDISE Plus. First, you have to go type in the Google UDISE Plus student module. Then click on the link. Then there is a drop down menu. Click and select Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, not Andhra Pradesh, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. After that, click on the Go button. After that, click on the Go button. After clicking on the Go button, it will open the UDISE student portal website. Then type the user ID, password, and the captcha code. Then it will show to the login page. It will go to the login page. So it is showing some error because if 2-3 people are open. So we will try again once again by typing the user ID and password and entering the captcha. Then after that, click on the next button. So again, it is showing error because of server error or 2-3 teachers are using or people are using. Then click on the 2024-25 and click on the next button. So again, UDISE portal, you selected Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and it opened the UDISE student portal, entering the user ID and password, captcha code. Then you have to click on the 2024-25, you have to select and click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, it will open our portal, our KVNID portal. Then you have to select APAAR module. You have to click on the APAAR module. After clicking on the APAAR module, you have to select the class and section. You have to select the class and section. Then it will show all the students of your class. Then after it will show all the students of your class. Select the class, then section, then click on the go next button. So selected my class, then my section. Then after clicking, it will show all the students. So some of the students already yesterday I tried. So it will show a green color, you can see. Then you have to click on the generate. You have to click on the generate button of that particular student for whose you want to create the APAAR ID. So when you select a particular student, keep ready the student's father's or mother's Aadhaar number and Aadhaar details ready in another screen. You have to keep it ready. So I am selecting one student. See, one student I am selecting and I will click on the generate button. Once I will click on the generate button, see, once you have to click on the generate button of that particular student, and I opened the WhatsApp and kept the Aadhaar details of that particular student. I'm clicking on the generate button of that particular student. Then it will open the next screen to create the APAAR model of that student. Here you have to type the father name and select if father's Aadhaar number father, if mother is mother, and select the ID proof as Aadhaar and enter the Aadhaar number. First, to know the student details, there is a upper side, there is a plus button. Just click on the plus button. When you press on the plus button, the student details, some main important details will be visible to you when you click on that plus button. So here you click on this plus button, it will show the student name, father name, and student name as per Aadhaar, date of birth, everything. You would enter the father name. If mother's Aadhaar you are using mother's name, then select as father. After selecting as father, drop down menu, another drop down menu, you have to select Aadhaar proof. No, other options also there like PAN card and others, but we are using Aadhaar only. So Aadhaar, then type the Aadhaar number. When you type the Aadhaar number, after that you have to type the station, or is Vishakhapatnam. Then select today's date and today's the select the today's date and press on the button. So in the place name you have to type Vishakhapatnam. Then select the date. Then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, it will ask you, do you want to continue with Aadhaar number and name? So just click on confirm it. Okay. If everything goes correct, it will show successfully Aadhaar ID is generated. But if it is some error is found, either date of birth or name is not matching your Aadhaar number, it will show error code. That error you have to copy and paste in an Excel sheet. So just wait. So still it is processing. Server is down, I think. So it is showing some error. So you have to copy this error and write the class, section, student name as per our school record, student name in as per Aadhaar, and date of birth, and what is the error we are getting in our Excel sheet. That Excel sheet we have to submit. If it goes correctly and successfully, it generates APAR APAAR ID, Aadhaar ID. Then APAAR ID, then automatically it will show successfully generated. Do you want to go back? Then you have to click on the back button. Again, you will go to students list. So once again, I am trying. Still, it is processing. Again, error, same error. So we'll check the name. Some error it is showing. So it open the Excel sheet where we have to copy and paste this error. Copy paste value only you have to do always. You should not do paste directly. Then you have to enter the student name, class, section, date of birth, pen number. Means in the UDISE plus there is a identification number of the student, pen number. So I am copying the pen number. Here if in father name some error is there, or now there is option if the student name some error is there, you can change it, but minor error only, small spelling mistakes. But if short form to full form, it is not allowing. I checked yesterday from my student, G something was there, but I want to write full form of G, but it could not be done. But some other students were spelling mistakes, small mistakes, it allowed, and it successfully created APAAR ID. APAAR ID. So here father name, if you change, small error is there, I am changing, and we'll see. First I am copying and pasting the student name in the Excel sheet as per Aadhaar and as per our school record, date of birth. Copying the name as per our school records. Copy paste value only, always you have to do value only, you should not do. But it is taking two rows, so we have to select from other place. Copy paste value only I have done. Copy paste, select paste value. Aadhaar number of the student you have to type here. I'm typing the Aadhaar number of the student. Now, father name, I think small mistake is there, spelling mistakes, we'll try. Once again, we'll try, it may work. No, same error is there. So, for this student, it is difficult. We have checked the date of birth,